In this example, we are asked to solve for x, so I'm going to start over here on the left side. And this one can look a little bit confusing. We have this x out here in the front, which is really a 1x, and then I have this negative bumped right up against the parentheses. That negative is actually a -1. The 1 is implied. So we're going to take this -1, and because it's right up against the parentheses, we're going to distribute it. So the -1 times 6x is going to give us -6x, and the -1 times +3 will give us a -3. From there, I can bring down the 1x from the front and the equals -18 on the right. After we have distributed, we can combine our like terms. Remember that like terms have to have the same variable. So I start over here where I have an x and an x. Those are definitely like terms. However, this -3 does not have an x. It is a constant, so it cannot be combined. So 1x and -6x will give us -5x. And then I can bring down the -3 and the equals -18. Now that we have simplified by distributing and combining my terms, I can solve this equation, which means I want to start with the constant on the side of the variable. That would be over here on the left with the -3. It is a -3, so to inverse it, I need to add 3 to both sides. That will leave me with -5x after the constants have canceled out, and it will equal a -15. Last but not least, we want to inverse the coefficient. The coefficient here is -5, and it's multiplying, so I'm going to divide by that coefficient of -5. The coefficients will cancel and leave me with x equals a +3.